All right, hello everyone. My name is Erica Evans. I am the Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of Rheology Solutions, where we are accelerating the path of delivering life-saving therapies to the patients who need them the most. Currently, only about 7% of drugs successfully make it from research and development through the multiple phases of clinical trials and on to approval, leaving life-saving therapies at risk of not reaching millions of patients with blood disorders and other life-threatening diseases, leading us to ask the question, how can we improve clinical trial success rates? Our process is simple. We put the patients first. By incorporating biology-based metrics at the start of clinical trials, we can determine who is fit for a trial and who is not. We can also monitor the changes that are being caused by the drug throughout the trial process. And the challenge in a biology-based approach is ensuring that each metric is rigorously validated, but we have done the work. With access to the largest sickle cell population in the US, our team has developed a panel of biology-based technologies and metrics, and we have validated their clinical relevance. Let's take, for example, a patient that has abnormally sticky red blood cells, which is common in sickle cell disease. As this patient starts treatment, we're able to detect the changes in the response of the patient and capture the true efficacy of the drug. We have the capabilities and the resources to transfer our reliance on general health data and use our data, which provides pharmaceutical companies with a detailed story of patient changes, which we are currently doing in a paid pilot with 2 pharmaceutical companies, each testing new therapies for sickle cell disease. And there are 14 other new therapies currently in the development pipeline. We have the opportunity to generate revenue at multiple points in the drug development process. At early stage research, clinical trial enrollment through patient selection, as well as the patient's response as that drug is taking effect in the patient. Sickle cell disease is our target entry market, and the treatment landscape in the US is valued at $1.4 billion. With several new drugs in development, we are perfectly positioned to capitalize on this growing market. Our solution transforms a research-based model into sustainable partnerships. Our technologies provide deeper, mechanism-specific insights compared to what is currently available. By focusing specifically on clinical trials, we are bringing our technologies beyond the research space to help our pharmaceutical partners make more precise, data-driven decisions. We are currently working on the future of our technologies and building an AI predictive patient response model. Our team is what I like to call the dream team. With world-class leaders in sickle cell disease, we have the clinical insight and the scientific expertise. And Dr. Wilbur Lamb is a successful 4-time co-founder. We have the expertise and the experience to drive innovation and execution at Rheology Solutions. Our revenue is projected on a project-based model, which we are currently doing in a research setting. By year 5, we anticipate offering new technologies, expanding to adjacent blood markets, and deploying our proprietary AI software solution. Today, we ask that you join us on our journey to set a new standard in drug success rates in clinical trial and help us to bring life-saving therapies to millions of patients in the US and across the globe. Thank you.